They say it's the new webinar or a new way to conduct trainings and workshops today. I'm talking about challenges, although for some they prefer to call it bootcamp. And finally, we now have a tool dedicated to launch this kind of programs. Hey there, Cham here. I'm a video and internet marketing guy. And if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and click that notification bell so that you will be notified whenever I create a video like this one. And today I want to introduce to you this tool that we can use to launch challenges. And what's the best name that you can call it than challenges? And so let me now go here to my computer and show you how it works. Alright, so as you can see now here in the dashboard of challenges. And right now what I wanted to do is set up the challenge that I did a few months ago and see how we can just automate the process using this app, because during that time when I launched the challenge, I had to do things manually of, putting up the video or the lesson, once the date for it to become available for my student, for them to take action and do the action plan that I showed in that particular module or lesson. But right now, let me just show you how to use this instead and just automate most of the process. So we can start by clicking here and create a new campaign. And for this one, let me call this Video Bootcamp. Click Create Campaign. And as you can see here, I can just choose challenge because that's what I wanted to do. And then for the challenge name, let me just call this Sales Video Bootcamp. And for now, let me just use the same description, but you can add any description you want. And as you can see here, I can upload an image. So let me do that. And let me just use this image right here. Click open. As you can see, I can just resize this. Here we go. Click save. And then here I have the option to select a date or just make it evergreen. Let me just make it evergreen. Although the last time I actually selected a date. After that, simply click create. So once I set that up, I can also go here to design mode. And then I can choose the font, the text color, or go here to themes. And as you can see, I can choose between light or a dark theme. For example, I want to choose dark instead and click apply. As you can see, this will be the theme. So let's use this theme for now. And then go here to challenge. Of course, I can also add an image right here that will be used as a cover for my challenge. So let me again click this design mode for me to come back here. And as you can see, it will be here that I can add an image as my banner here for my bootcamp. And I can upload one by clicking here. And for now, let me choose this one right here. Click open. And again, I can simply resize it here, something like that, for example. And then click save. So there you go. And I think the dark design does not fit well my banner right here. So let me just go back again here to design mode and go here to themes, and let's just go back to the light theme. Click apply. And I think the light theme is working better. And again, let me just click here to exit the design mode. Oops. Although let me save changes first. Click save. And then click here again to design mode and go back to here. Alright, so it will be here that I can add the materials for each day. So for example, for day 1, I can go here to edit. And then here I can also choose a template. So I can start from scratch by using the blank template, although as you can see, we also have some other templates right here for video, audio, or for text. And because my bootcamp is video based, let me choose this video template right here. And then for day 1, I can just retain the title of saying day 1, although if I want, I can also rename that. But for now, let me just just leave it as day 1. And so here I can embed a video, and I can just copy an embed code. And for me personally, I'm using Vimeo as my video hosting. Although if you don't have any private video hosting for now, you can probably use YouTube and just place it as unlisted, and then just copy the embed code and paste it here. Although there's a bunch of other great and cheap video hosting out there that you can use as well. In fact, if you grab the upgrade of this launch today, you can also use their video hosting called Videlo and use it here as well. Although for now, let me just use my Vimeo video right here. So let me just go here to embed code and copy this embed code and then paste it here. There we go. And then aside from that, I can also add some description like that. And then we can also add downloadable resources. And this is great because when I did my very first bootcamp or challenge back then, I have to go to Amazon S3 and then copy the link, and I have to add that in the membership side of the tool that I'm using before. But here you don't have to do that because you can simply upload any downloadable resources here as well. So aside from that, you can also add some more elements by clicking here, add element. And as you can see, you can add another video if there's more video that you want to show, or you want to add audio, HTML, homework. And this is something that I like about this app as well, because this is actually important in running challenges, because you have to give your students homeworks to do, because remember that challenges are results-based program, so they will not just be here to watch the video like they watch their favorite movies and shows on Netflix, right? You have to give them some homeworks to do. So for example, for myself, I can use this feature. Like for example, in this particular video, I can add this task: craft your personalized offer and post it in our Facebook group. And because my bootcamp has a private Facebook group, although that's actually optional, but that's something that you can do and use it together with your challenge as well. So aside from that, as you can see here, I can also enable my students to upload and also enable them to mandatory submit their work. So there we go. And another thing that I can do here is also add a feedback survey. In this way, I can ask some questions to my student, and this can work as a quiz as well. Or if I want to get some feedback from them on how to improve my challenge, then I can always do so. So as you can see here, I can choose a single choice, multiple choice, text answer, or yes or no question. So for example, I just want to do a text answer. I can click that and then ask, what did you learn today? And then I can also make this a mandatory question so that they need to answer it before proceeding to the next challenge. So after that, I can simply click save. And then if I want to preview how this looks like, I can just simply go here to the design mode. And as you can see, here's that video that I just embedded. And then I can see the title. So here they can upload a file for their homework, and they can click here to go back to dashboard. So let's go back here again, and then I can also just go back here to the challenge, and for the next days I can do the same thing. And this is actually a 5-day sales video bootcamp, so what I need to do is just do the same thing for day 2, and then once it's done, I can add a new lesson, call it day 3 until day 5, and just do the same thing. And once everything is done, what I can also do is add a quiz by clicking here. And then of course I can rename this quiz like final exam, for example, and then add a description, and then simply click edit. And then here I can select that quiz percentage if I want to see if they passed the exam or not. And I don't know, I'm probably somewhat lenient, so let me just give 70%. I can enable this to show the block viewing of the next module, and then simply click next. And then again, I can choose different types of questions. I can choose single question, multiple question, text answer, or yes or no. So again, I can just do what I did earlier. For example, I want to add a text answer and add a question here. What is a sales video, for example? And if I want, I can add another question, and then maybe choose another type like single choice, multiple choice, or whatnot. Although for now, you already got the idea, so I don't have to do that. I can simply click save and exit. And one thing that you can do for challenge types of courses is that you can manually add the videos and make them available manually from days 1 to 5, especially if it's a specific date type of launch. Although for an evergreen challenge like what I'm trying to do right now, what you can do is schedule the availability of the lessons so that they will just become available after 1 day, after 2 days, and whatnot. And the good thing about doing that is that you can just automate the process so that you can just let the software do everything for you, so that you don't have to come back here manually and do things manually yourself. And you can do that by going here, and maybe for day 1, of course, that can become available as soon as they enroll. But for day 2, what you can do is go here and then add 2 or 1, so that this will become available after 1 day. And the same is true with the rest of the other days or the other lessons that you will add here as well. So yep, those are the 2 ways on how how to do things. And for me right now, I guess I'm going for doing things automatically, because like I said during last time, I had to do things manually, and right now I just want to automate the process and make this an evergreen challenge. Alright, another thing you can do here is also update yourself right here as the instructor. And here you can tell something about yourself. So I can say I'm a video and internet marketer, something like that. There we go. And then here you can also invite participants to join your bootcamp, especially if you're doing a free challenge that will lead to a premium course. You can come here and click invite, and then here you can add the students' emails, or you can just copy the link, and this will be the one that you can send to your students for them to register and enroll in this challenge. Let me just close this for now. So basically that's how to set up the members area of the challenge. And once you're done here, you can also set up some other things by going here to settings, and here you can rename your campaign name, and then here you can add your domain name. I can also go here to branding and just add my logo and favicon and all that. I can also go here to payment, and if this will be a paid bootcamp, I can use this external payment system, and they have a separate training on how to set this up. Or if I just want to make this a free challenge that leads to a paid challenge, then I can simply choose free registration. You can also go here to integrations, and you can integrate this to these things, active campaign, and I love it that they have this one because this is the one that I'm using for my email marketing, and I can simply copy the API URL and API key here and click save, although I'm not gonna do that for now. And as you can see, these are the other tools that you can also integrate. And here you can check out your students, and then check out these other settings right here as well. And if you upgrade to the all access, as you can see, they have some more features right here, like checkout, gamification, assignments, group chat, media, coupon, bundles, emails, and legal. Although my account right now has don't have access to these things, but these are things that you can consider if you're more serious in running memberships, challenges, courses, coaching, and all that. But so far so good. As you can see, it's a great app that you can use to create challenges and launch them to maybe get more leads, to grow your leads, especially if you're doing this as a free challenge. Although personally I did a paid one last time, and I might want to use this to try to launch a paid one again in the near future. So as you can see, that's how to use this app to launch your challenges. And I will add as well the demo from the developer below this video so that you can see more on how things work. So as you can see, that's Challenges app, and I highly recommend it. And so if you find this app useful and you want to use it as well, just click the button that you can see in the video below, or if you're watching this on YouTube, just click that link that you can see in the description below, and you will be taken to my blog for you to click that link and grab this through my link. Because if you do, I will give you amazing bonuses that you can see below this video as well. So yep, I look forward to seeing you grabbing this app as well for you to create and launch challenges. So thanks a lot for watching. My name is Jem, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye for now.